How to download and install Adobe Lightroom. First of all, unlock your device and open the Play Store from the home screen. Then tap the Source button in the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar at the top, type Adobe Lightroom and tap the search icon. From the search results, select Lightroom Photo and Video Editor developed by Adobe to make sure you are choosing the official app. Now tap on the install button and wait for the download to complete, which may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is finished, tap Open to launch the app. You will be asked to sign in using an Adobe account, Google account, Facebook or Apple ID. After signing in, allow the necessary permissions so the app can access your photos and stories. When the setup is complete, you will reach the main editing interface where you can import photos, apply presets, adjust lighting, colors and start editing instantly. Now you know how to download and install Adobe Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips.